Exercise Standard 5th Environment Studies First Lesson number 2 Motion of the Earth. Question first. What is a solution? First, Amit wants to take his granny to Australia, which is in the southern hemisphere, but she cannot bear very cold weather. When should they make this trip? Answer is Australia is located at southern hemisphere. During the time period of 23rd September to 22 March, there is summer. So, Amit's granny could be taken to Australia during this period. During the period of 22 March and to 23 September, there is winter. So, she should avoid going to Australia as she cannot bear the cold weather. Question 2. First, use your brain power. First, how many rotations does the Earth complete during one revolution around the Sun? Answer. The Earth takes one complete rotation is 1 day. It takes complete 365 days and 1/4 the day for one complete revolution. This means that is one revolution. The Earth shows 365 and 1/4 rotation. Question 2. It is the sunrise of Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Write the names of the following cities in the order in which the sun will rise there. Mumbai, Maharashtra, Kolkata, West Bengal, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Answer. The Earth rotates from west to east. Therefore, there would be sunrise in the eastern states earlier. Later, gradually, the sunrise can be seen from the western states of India. The order in which the sunrise would be seen in is as follows. First, Itanagar in Arunachal Pradesh. Second, Kolkata, West Bengal. Third, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Fourth, Nagpur, Maharashtra. 5. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Question 3. Fill in the blanks. First, the motion of the earth around itself is called rotation. Second, the motion of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Third, the rotation of the earth gives rise to day and night. Question 4. What is meant by each of the following terms? 1. Full moon. When the complete and round moon is seen in the sky, it is known as full moon. Second, new moon. When the moon is not visible in the sky, it is known as new moon. Third, lunar month. The period of 28 to 30 days from one new moon day to the next new moon day is called a lunar month. 4. Tithi. Every day in the lunar month is called Tithi. Question 5. Answer the following question. First, what is the equator? Answer. An imaginary circle present between the north and the south pole is called the equator. Second, what are the two parts of the earth made by the equator? Answer is the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere are two parts of the earth made by the equator.